more to Controy's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm welcome to you. We are making something that you can have any time of day. For breakfast, brunch, dinner, lunch, whatever, anytime. It's protein packed. We're going to be making some sweet potatoes that are pan fried, some steak, fried eggs, and some avocado. Very simple, quick to whip up, but absolutely delicious and nutritious. Come along and let's do it. So I have here 1 pound of ribeye steak. I'm just going to season it with some salt and pepper. Good quality steak normally doesn't take much. I'm going to flip it and do the same to the back side. Now I'm just going to massage it onto my meat. Just keeping the flavors very simple on this. There we go. I'm just going to set this aside to marinate. All right, so now we're going to work on our potatoes. So right here I have 1.5 pounds of sweet potato. This is white sweet potato. And I'm going to peel that and cut it up. So I have my potatoes peeled. I'm going to wash them before I cut them up. All washed, ready to be cut up. My goal is to dice up the potatoes, so now I'm going to season with some salt, some black pepper, and a splash of paprika. I'm just going to toss everything together. No liquid on it because, of course, I rinsed the potatoes before cutting, so it could stay dry, and now everything beautifully stuck on it. We're gonna go ahead and cook it. So my griddle pan is heated now. I'm just going to grease it with some cooking spray. And now I'm going to just place my steak right here to cook. I'm just going to throw some garlic cloves around just to infuse and cook in here. I also place some rosemary. Alright, let's get ready to cook our potatoes. Alright, so my pan has also heated up. I'm going to introduce some avocado oil. Just a little drizzle. We're just trying to pan fry the potatoes. So Just swirl it. Cover the bottom of my pan. Introduce my potatoes. I'm just going to spread it. Just toss it about so it's all covered. And let's say coated with the oil. Just trying to spread it out so it cooks evenly. I feel like it's a good time to flip my steak. It has cooked for about 4 minutes on this side. Now just appreciate the beauty. Just look at that. Now I'm going to cover for about 3 minutes so it gets to cook through. So juicy, flavorful. It doesn't take that much to cook a good piece of steak, like I said. I'm going to throw some pieces of butter just for extra flavor, and it's also going to help get my meat to be juicier. So this is pretty much done at this point. You don't want it to be overcooked and turn dry. Just look at the other side. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead, take it off the grill pan and transfer it onto a plate. Now let it sit. Now you want to cover it with some aluminum foil. You don't want this meat drying out at all. Now let's see how potatoes are doing. I have to remind you, you need to have your flame on low. You don't want to burn this. You're pretty much pan frying, so there's not that much oil, just what we use to coat the bottom. And at this point, if you can see, potatoes are almost all the way cooked. Look. Let's try another one. Soft, beautiful. I'm just gonna let it go for an extra minute and it should be ready. Now let's get ready to fry our eggs. Skillet a little warmed up. I'm going to add my butter. You just want to coat the skillet or the pan with your butter. Now I'll crack my eggs. Now I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of salt and some pepper. Not too much, you don't want to overdo this. Potatoes can be considered done. Done. Beautifully cooked and ready to be served. See how everything just came together so beautifully? Just look at that. I think it's safe to say our eggs are done, so I'll turn off the flame. Sunny side up. Yep. Just look at that. Sunshine. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. And just like that, everything is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and cut up our steak. I'll transfer it right here onto my board. Definitely not wasting my juices from it. Just trim the fat off. A piece for the cook. Just look. Just look at that. Some potatoes. Now I'll place on some steak. My eggs. And just like that, you have your plate of deliciousness. Beautiful. Just look. Everything perfect. And now, time to dig in. Just look at the potatoes. So tender. Just look at that. Steak, juicy. Now we just go in the egg. So beautifully cooked. We'll grab it with some steak. Now this is really a meal that you need to try. Brunch, breakfast, dinner, lunch, you have it. It goes any time of day. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.